So through May 31st, you as a student have free access to the Adobe Creative Cloud, and I'm going to show you how you can install that on your machine. So if you open up a web browser, go to creativecloud.adobe.com. Sign in with your Baylor email address, company or school account. It should take you to a very familiar site. And this should take you to your Adobe Creative Cloud dashboard. You'll see a whole bunch of apps across the top. So let's say you want Photoshop. Just click on Photoshop and get Desktop app. Same with Premiere Pro. If you want to do video editing, just get the Desktop app. That's all there is to it. And again, you will have free access to all of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite through May 31st. So when you click on the All Apps, you'll see that it will take you to all the different Adobe Creative Cloud products that you can then install on your machine, or if you already have them, you can run any updates, and you will have that for free again through May 31st.